Greetings and welcome to another Loot Crate unboxing. This is the first one for the year, so hopefully it's a good one. The theme for this month is Rewind. The premise being stuff from the 90s, stuff like that, Voltron, etc. And apologise for the bad lighting again, instead of me being badly lit because of the window. Now everything's just a glare on my face. The joys of being bald. Even the monitor, well, my TV, is causing a glare. Anyway, time to get started. This week, I'm using one of my lightning swords. I don't know. Just looks pretty sweet. Let's get this opened. And yes, that was the center of the box opening. Alrighty, let's have a look. We got this month. Ooh, we got a shirt. And it is Voltron. Pretty damn nice. Very intricate. Like a blueprint for what Voltron was. Although now, you may as well just watch Pacific Rim. It's about the equivalent. Let's see what's next. Black Geek. Hello, do you open? I don't know what it does, we'll come back to it. Okay, let's see. Ooh. What are these, 8 glasses? Loot Crate ones. Let's see if they actually fit my big ass head. No. I don't think I'll be wearing them. Next. Ooh. Classic Nintendo Entertainment System type box. What is it? Yeah, it actually is like a shrunken NES cartridge. That looks interesting. Sort that out in a minute. Next we have a comic notebook. From what I read of my emails, they've actually got a competition going of who can create something, well, creative with it. It's pretty damn good, especially for aspiring cartoon makers. We've got a comic book. Let's see. See, now this is what I thought the Nerd Block magazine was. Star Wars, issue 1 by Marvel. Loot Crate exclusive. I'm not sure whether... yep. Variant edition. Does look pretty damn cool. Another little comic to read. And of course, the badge for this month. I always like these little badges. Alright, now, and of course, the magazine for this month. Now, let's see, what the hell is the black box thing? Oh, I'm an idiot. It does in fact open. If I can find the right spot. Ah. A very cool tie. Space Invaders. Could definitely wear that to work. If I ever wore a suit to work. At least that answers the question of what the hell that was. And as always, here is Mini-Me modelling some of the contents from this month's Loot Crate. Oh, and I didn't realise it before, but there is that little NES cartridge. It's actually the ship from Firefly on it. That is actually really cool because I'm a huge fan of Serenity and Firefly. For some reason he's got a gun. Thank you for joining me for this month's Loot Crate. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.